Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to add a new wallet in your account in MetaMask. Now, this is going to be on the PC version. So if you want to log in, you need to have the Google Chrome extension. So once you have that, and I assume that you do, click on your extension at the top right corner, like so, and then click on MetaMask. When you do this for the first time, maybe on a day after you open your computer again at work or at home, you need to log in. Once you log in, this is what you're going to see. This is the slide up on your right hand side of your screen. You want to click on account here, right? It says account one if you only have the one account. This is by default its name. Click on the option like that. And here, this is going to be your first account. But again, by default, it's going to be one account, right? And then underneath it, it's going to have an option that says add account, right? Highlighted in blue text with a plus icon. So click this, right? Automatically, you don't need to do anything. You only need to click on add account. It's going to generate a new account for you, right? So it's going to create, by default account two, and it's going to create a randomized address, right? So on the right hand side, there's going to be three buttons, right? So clicking on the three buttons like so. This new pop-up up here, it's going to have your account details. You can actually rename, change addresses, and pin to the top. You can even hide the account for you. Now, renaming this is pretty ideal if you're using different accounts for different purposes, right? So that is how easy it is to create a new account on your wallet. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing, that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.